Using our approach, you can get alignment between the sales and manufacturing side, and thereby avoid errors in manufacturing. And that is because you have the sales and marketing perspective coming together with the manufacturing perspective. And to be a bit more technical on that, what you do is you take the rules that you know are needed to be obeyed in manufacturing to be able to build the product, and you combine them with the rules you use in positioning your product in the market. So we talk about the commercial and the technical rules. You bring them together, and that means that using a configuration engine, you can make sure that when you take an order and validate it, you validate it fully also against the manufacturing rules. So you know at the point where you take the order that we will be able to build this version of the product. You don't just solve for the sales perspective, the commercial, you solve for everything. So you're sure you can manufacturing. And that's a key in avoiding problems in order fulfillment where you get orders you're unable to deliver on.